Maloyo mine 60 mosebedo kakalo e midhiero mar tuo mar fistula biro yudo thieth manono e kar thieth maduong' ma Kenyatta chenro machano ringo kuom kinde ma juma achiel mabiro. Chenro no ero ma biro monyo omenda maromo milion 5.1 obagi gi kambi tudruok mar Safaricom kotenore kod riwruok thieth mar Flying Doctors, kama bende lakteche biro chiwo puonj kaluwore gi weche ngima. Chenro no nochaki ayanga higa mokalo kendo sechiwo thieth ne mine molo 261 manikod tuo mar fistula, ka gie sani mine maromo 45 osechwal e kar thieth no ka 30 osetimnegi bero.
Has partnered with the Flying Doctors Society together with the Kenyatta National Hospital in order to carry out these operations. We are told that by the end of today there will be about 43 to 45 women who have gone through the operation, and typically they will stay here for about a week as they're being managed post-operation.
So we've been here since Thursday when we started screening on Thursday and Friday, and we've screened a total of 133 women, of which we've admitted 45 ladies and operated 30 up until yesterday. We'll be here until tomorrow. Our target for the week was 60 beneficiaries for this camp, and I think we'll probably hit that target.